Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5 English version, Math, Decimal Fractions Chapter, Exercise 7B. Question number 4 and 5. They are pretty similar. That is why we are going to cover both questions in the same lesson. First, we do number 5. 1 inch equals to 2.54 centimeter. How many centimeters are equal to 8.5 inches? How many centimeters? So the quantity we find, or the result we find, will have a unit centimeter. Question number 4. 1 inch equals to 2.54 centimeter. Therefore, 8.5 inch equals to 2.54 into 8.5. Now we know how to multiply the decimal fractions. In this case we will follow the vertical method so that we do not make any mistake in the calculation. 2.54 into 8.5. Remember, we have to forget about the decimal point. We think these are whole numbers and now multiply. 5 into 4, 20, 2 in hand, 5 into 5, 25, and 2 is 27, 2 in hand, 5 into 2 is 10, and 2, 12. Put a 0 here, then start multiplying by 8. 8 into 4, 32, 3 in hand, 5 and 8, 40, 5 into 8 is 40, and 3, 43, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 and 4, 20. Now do the addition. 0, 7 and 2 is 9, 3 and 2 is 5, 1 and 2. Now count. Now where we place the decimal point? We have to count from here. How many digits before they had decimal point? 2 digits here and 1 digit here. So total 3 digits. We will put 1, 2, 3 digits before. So 21.590 equals to 21.590 centimeter. We shouldn't forget the unit. This is very important. Centimeter. The answer 21.59. We may write 0, may not write. It doesn't make any difference. Centimeter. Question number 5. A car travels 42.8 kilometers in 1 hour. How many kilometers? So the quantity we find will have unit kilometers. How many kilometers will it travel in 15.5 hours? 1 hour. In 1 hour, the car travels 42.8 kilometers. Therefore, in 15.5 hours, the car travels 42.8 into 15.5. The unit is kilometer always. Now we have to do the calculation and we will follow the vertical method. 42.8 multiply by 15.5. 5 into 8, 40. 4 in hand. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 and 4, 14. 1 in hand. 5 into 4 is 20 and 21. Put a 0 here. 5 into 8, 40. So actually the same as the first line, first row, 2140. 2140. Then multiply by 1. Before that put a 0 here. 4 to 8. This should be 4, 2 and 8. Now do the addition. 0, 4, 8 and 4, 12 and 1, 13, 2 and 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 and 2, 6, 66, 340 equals to 6, 6. Remember, we have to put the decimal point. Now, how many digits before? We have to put. Here is 1 digit and here is 1 digit. So, 2 digits before. Here. So, 663.40. 663.40 kilometer. The answer 663.40 kilometer. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.